Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Digital Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can recover deleted files from your Windows PC. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss updates like this anytime we drop them. So without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial. Open your browser and search for Recover. This is the link to the official website over here, so click on it. Now, Recover is a software that is designed to help you recover deleted files. So in this case, since your files have been deleted from your PC and your recycle bin, you can go ahead and use this software to help you recover those files. Now, they have a pro version and a free version. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to use the free version, and the free version is more than capable of helping a lot of you out there to recover your deleted files. But if you want to go with the pro version, you can go ahead and purchase that. So after a successful download onto your PC, it is time to install the software. Locate the software on your PC and double click on it to begin the installation process. Click on the install button. Click on Run Recover. When you see the Recover wizard, click on Next. Now over here, if you know the last known location of the file, you can go ahead and select that location. But if you don't remember, just choose the first option and click on Next. Now click on Start to begin the process of recovering your files. Depending on the size of your hard drive or your SSD installed in your device, it might take a while. So give it a moment to scan every inch of your hard drive or your SSD to recover the files. When it is done, you will be presented with a window that looks like this, with a list of all the files that were once on your PC. Now, I want you to click on Switch to Advanced Mode. Now, in Advanced Mode, I want you to take note of a couple of things. You can select the type of file that you want to recover. So if you go ahead and you click over here where it says File Name and Path, when you click on that, it will give you the option to select the type of file that you are trying to recover, whether it's a picture, video, document, a compressed file, or even an email, right? So you can select the type. I will choose a document. So these are all the documents that Recover was able to recover for me. Now I can go through and locate the documents that I want to recover back to my PC. Now take note, you can see 3 different types of documents based on the color code. There is green, there is orange, and there is red. Green means the file is intact and has not been overwritten, so it has the highest chance of being fully recovered. Yellow means the file has been partially overwritten, meaning some of the data may be lost, so it might not be fully recoverable and it might be corrupted. Red simply means the file is unlikely to be recovered successfully. So when you are trying to recover your file, take note of the color next to it. If you want to recover a file, all you have to do is click on it and check the box next to that file. Then you click on the recover button over here. When you see this window, it's giving you the option to choose the location on your PC where you want to recover the file to. So choose any location of your choice and the file will be recovered to that particular location. And as you can see, I have successfully recovered this file that was deleted from my PC. If you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next update when we drop it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.